Shareholders fund would mean how much money of shareholders is there in the company. Number 2 is known as NCL, non-current liabilities. Number 3 is CL, just current liabilities. Number 4 is non-current assets, and number 5 is the current assets. So this is how you prepare balance sheet of a company. Now, before we take a quick break for a cup of tea, let me quickly explain to you what all this mean. शेयर होल्डर्स फंड का मतलब सिंपल सी बात है कि ये कंपनी में शेयर होल्डर्स का कितना पैसा लगा है. नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज और करंट लाइबिलिटीज का मतलब क्या है? आपकी कंपनी है तो आपकी कंपनी में कुछ ऐसे लोगों को आपको पैसा देना है अगले 12 महीने के अंदर. कितने महीने के अंदर? 12 महीने के अंदर. तो करंट लाइबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है? कंपनी के वो ऑब्लिगेशन जो कि कंपनी ने अगले 12 महीने के अंदर पे करना चाहिए. दैट इज योर करंट लाइबिलिटी. एंड व्हाट इज द नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी? द definition of non-current liability is very simple. So what is a non-current liability? Non-current liability is a liability which is not a current liability. So that is the simple definition of non-current liabilities. Meaning what? Meaning those obligations of your business that you have to pay to outsiders beyond a period of 1 year or 12 months, right? So retained earnings is part of your shareholders fund. Okay. Now let us understand the non-current assets and the current assets. So what are the current assets? Current assets are those assets of a business which are expected to get converted into cash within a period of 12 months. Current assets. And what are non-current assets? Non-current assets are those assets of a business which are not current assets. So that is the simple definition of. अब इसमें जरा समझ के लीजिए. करंट एसेट में क्या आएगा? इन्वेंट्री, रिसीवेबल, कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस इज पार्ट ऑफ द करंट एसेट्स. नॉन करंट एसेट्स में क्या आएगा? एवरीबडी, which is not a current assets, but what are the examples?
Creditors. Debtors.
Plot land, yes, very good. Plot land, yes, of course. What else? So land, building, plant and machinery, intangible assets, all that will be part of your non-current assets. अब by the way friends, ये इसको मैं तो आपको देता हूँ, उसके बाद में हम लोग टी ब्रेक लेंगे. ये जो करंट एसेट्स है इसको वर्किंग कैपिटल भी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? वर्किंग कैपिटल. अब इसमें क्या आएगा? इन्वेंट्री, रिसीवेबल. सो दीज आर योर वर्किंग कैपिटल. Working capital for our business is very important, and how to do the working capital management, this is what we will understand after the tea break, right? So let us enjoy a cup of tea, quickly come back. If possible you can bring your cups here so that we are able to use our time in a better way. So see you soon for discussing working capital management.